6 months, we'll be starting from scratch, from basic computer knowledge, moving on to 2D animation, 3D animation, sketching. The reason why is going to the basic knowledges so that people who are from the urban or rural areas who haven't been taught with that, they can catch up and they can get to speed. Let's go to the next. Okay. This course majorly focuses on the job training. Like if you go to slide over here, we have put in 208 hours of on the job training, though it has practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge, so that when the time comes, you are just not there. You're just up with everything. We'll be covering basic computer knowledge, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Sketching, CorelDRAW, After Effects, and Animator. Yeah, John, can you take it forward here? This is John. He worked with the initial team of Chota team, and he has worked extensively with a lot of After Effects things in the Bollywood industry as well. He is our expert when it comes to the technology aspects.
Thank you, Aaron. Very good morning and warm welcome, everyone. Myself, as Aaron said, I'm Johnson, and I have been I'm working in this industry for the last 15 years, and I have worked with some of the big projects internationally and nationally, and I have worked with the VFX team for some of the Bollywood and Hollywood movies also. So I will brief you about the model curriculum here. Can you please open the model curriculum? So we will be providing, as Aaron mentioned, that there will be basic of computer and some 2D software, graphic designing software, and 3D software will be providing in this 6 month program. And this of the so first of all, we will start with the basic of